Mixo is an easy to use AI powered website builder designed to bring your ideas to life, whether you are testing new concepts, launching a business, or expanding online. And Mixo AI is currently offering 4 months free when you choose annual billing, and you can get even more discount by using a coupon code about which we will talk towards the end of this video. So let's explore each plan to see which one suits your needs. Starting with the basic site plan at $9 per month, this option is ideal if you are looking to create a single page website, perfect for landing pages or testing new ideas. This plan gives you everything you need to get started with a custom domain so your site will look professional. Security is built in with SSL included, ensuring visitors are safe on your site. Plus, with the basic site plan, there's no Mixo branding, so you have a clean professional looking page that focuses solely on your content. If you are building out a more established business presence, the growth site plan might be a perfect fit, priced at $19 per month, and with a free trial available, you can try it out before committing. The growth site plan gives you a 10-page website, offering ample space to expand with different sections for products, services, or any other key content you need. Like the basic plan, you will have a custom domain and SSL included, keeping your website secure and your brand looking polished. There's no Mixo branding here either, and the plan offers additional page types, allowing you to create a more dynamic experience for visitors. For businesses ready to go all in, the premium site plan at $39 per month is the most comprehensive option. This plan has it all: a free domain name to get you started right away, unlimited pages so you can scale your site as much as you want. Like the other plans, the premium site includes SSL and a custom domain with no Mixo branding. But what makes the premium site plan stand out is its customization power. You can add custom scripts and custom CSS styles to make the site just how you want it to be. Each of these plans offer different benefits, making them useful for different purposes depending on whether you are testing the waters or want to grow big. And don't forget, if you choose annual billing, you get 4 months for free, and then on the payment page, you can use the coupon code LAUNCH30 to get 30% off on all the plans. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that helps you write SEO optimized content for your website or blog, then check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.